Hello antique lovers, this is a vintage toy car of Volkswagen classical model Beetle. Period is 1967. Front doors can be open and shut. Paint is original. Two front seats. Headlight in good condition. Back seat for two person. Rubber tires. Tail lamps. A symbol of Volkswagen and monogram. Here is also printed Volkswagen. It is made by maximum metal and few plastic parts. It is made by die cast process. It is a vintage toy car. Volkswagen classical Beetle 1967. Scale 1/32. Kinsmart, made in China. Company's name is Kinsmart. Although it is made in China, it's a vintage toy car. Pull back system. It is in good condition. Thank you for watching.